HTML is the first step into the world of web development. It's the foundation of every website you've ever visited. Without HTML, creating a website isn't possible. That's why it's so important to learn HTML the right way. In this course, we'll take you from knowing absolutely nothing about coding to creating your very own web pages using HTML. This course is perfect for absolute beginners. We'll start from scratch, learning the fundamentals of HTML and gradually build up to creating complete web page structures. Here's what you'll learn: the structure of an HTML document, creating headings, paragraphs, and lists, adding images, links, and forms, and best practices for writing clean and professional HTML code. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently create your own HTML pages, ready to be styled with CSS or enhanced with other tools. And the best part? This course is completely free. So why wait? Let's start learning HTML now.